Internet terms. Some commonly used Internet terms are listed below. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages that provide information about a topic. A website address starts with www. Some websites that are very popular are www.yahoo.co.in, www.google.com, etc. Web page. A web page is a page on a website. It contains text, pictures, sounds, videos, animations, etc. It is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to the Internet. World Wide Web. World Wide Web, WWW, is the largest collection of information in the form of websites on the Internet. Web browser. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web, WWW. These websites open in a special software known as a web browser. Some of the commonly used web browsers are Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome. To open any website, type the address of website in the address bar and press Enter key. Home page. When you browse any website or open any web browser, the first page that opens up is called Home page. Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Every website on Internet has a unique address. This address of a website is called as Uniform Resource Locator or URL.